Hello, and welcome to Technique for Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to hide the login page in ShopFunnels. Let's get started. How to hide the login page and instead show the landing page. This is my domain, suraj.g4live.in. In the folder Shop, where I installed my ShopFunnels. Let me first log in. Now this is the dashboard. From the sidebar section, click on the Settings tab. Then click on Settings. And inside the General Settings, you can see your installation URL. This is my physical location. In any case, if you want to change the installation inside it, consider installing it in the root directory after the domain, this part. In your case, it'll be your domain, and we have a detailed tutorial on that here on our channel. You can click here on this link. Now let me show you how to hide the login page and show the landing page. Click here on the Store tab, which is inside the Store content. Here you'll be able to see all your stores that you have created. Now let me create a new store. Add your title, and here you can see the default behavior of the store URL. When you type any name, it will automatically change into the URL. Remove this and your installation URL that you have installed. And if you remove this part, you'll get nothing. So just click on the Creative Store after removing this path. This store has been created successfully. When I visit this page, you can see this is only my installation URL. When I visit this page, it's just showing my home page. You can see this is my installation URL and this is the page URL. So if you want to change this URL after your domain, you can just click on your page and click on Settings icon. In the page URL section, just change this to main. Scroll down and you have to also check this checkbox to confirm the renaming page slug 2 and click on Save Settings. Now when I visit this store, my website URL is showing here main and the previous one was home. So if you want to get back to your dashboard or login page, just remove the extra URL after the installation. So remove that and type sf-admin. Click Enter button. And you'll be redirected to your dashboard. And this is how you can hide the login page and instead show the landing page in your ShopFunnels. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.